currently in General Luna. I'm gonna put it on the map here. It's in Siargao. I'm just gonna zoom out while I'm at it to show you where Siargao is. It's in the Philippines. I haven't vlogged much because the last couple of days the weather was totally terrible. Today it's looking a little bit better. It's still a little bit cloudy, but I think I'm gonna make the most of it. I'm gonna go from General Luna all the way north to, hopefully all the way north to Santa Monica. The host of the Airbnb I'm staying at recommended me going there, so it should be interesting. So let's check it out. I see on this island. Asphalt, first asphalt road. And the rain is back. Look at that tank. It's not running out of fuel again. Found a surf spot. Wait, so there's supposed to be crocodiles in here, but I don't see any crocodiles. Look, all of these houses are built on the river. Look at how beautiful this place is. It's so green. Everywhere is just palm trees. Just look at that, palm trees all around. I assume it's because it's raining all the time. I got like soaked at least 4 times on my way to this spot. But it's actually dripping on me as we speak. Now that's definitely why it's so green. Just look at that, man. Next stop is Pacifico Beach or something like that. I think it's another surf spot, so this is like a day of me scouting the island for different surf spots. There's always dogs in this road, that's why you can't go this fast. That's why, look at it, there's another one. Up making it to Santa Monica, but I'm gonna head home now because the sun is getting low and I'm afraid I'm gonna run out of light and I don't feel like riding back in the dark again, so I'm going home. Hope it's not gonna rain. Look at that, it's the airport. I think he's coming in for a landing. He's coming in for a landing. Oh, he missed it. No! Rain! Just got home now, just before dark. Actually thought I was gonna get another surf in, but it turns out it turned into a whole day activity and I didn't even reach Santa Monica. So this mission is to be continued. I'm super tired of sitting on the bike the whole day, so I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow.